moment, you may have one question on your mind: how to operationalize this journey? And the answer is, it is not a single technology or it is not a one time project, but it is a structured journey that progressively builds the intelligence across the factory floor. Let us take a deep dive into this journey. This slide represents the core message of today's webinar. When we talk about intelligent manufacturing, many organizations immediately think about AI, co-pilots, and autonomous operations. But in reality, intelligence is built progressively. It is a journey. Let us understand this journey through these six simple stages. First, we connect data from various OT and IT sources. Next, we contextualize this data for meaningful insights. Then we understand what happened and why. In next stage, we predict the risk before they occur. And then we recommend solutions to prevent the risk. And finally, we build the systems to act intelligently and autonomously. The most important point is each stage builds upon the previous one. Manufacturers do not jump directly to autonomous operations. They progressively move from stage 1 to stage 6.